Hey guys, welcome back. So this is a message for the people that's been hodling and maybe you are in pain. If you haven't taken profits on the highs for Bitcoin or whatever your altcoins are, and now you think it's too late to be selling, which is for Bitcoin, it might be still okay to sell in the next bounce. I don't know, but this is not what this video is about. But for altcoins, it's really late to sell for fiat, in my opinion. Ethereum, for example, like many others. Whether you did the same as me, whether you have been already taking profits into fiat or not, even if you haven't taken any profits and now you're in so much losses, one solution you could use, which is what I am doing, where you can still make money and you don't even need to short. What I am doing now, it's trading crypto to crypto. So for example, I have opened 3 trades in the past month. I'm going to show you. So the first trade that I opened was Ethereum versus Bitcoin. As you can see, this is a chart for Ethereum versus Bitcoin, which means I am trading my Ethereum for Bitcoin. I'm giving Ethereum and getting Bitcoin, which is the same as shorting. Let's imagine, for the sake of this video, that when I sold my Ethereum for Bitcoin up here, I gave 2 Ethereum and the price of each Ethereum was $1,000 each. It's not exactly the case, but let's just to make this example easy. So I had 2 Ethereums at $1,000 each. It means I had $2,000 in terms of fiat valuation, but they were not in my bank account. I had it still in crypto, in Ethereum. Let's say those were all my crypto holdings. And now I trade them for Bitcoin here. And when it gets down here for a 50% profit, I'm going to pick up 3 Ethereums. But when the Ethereum, by the time the Ethereum versus Bitcoin gets down here, let's say Ethereum, it's worth only $500 each. So I am still losing in fiat valuation, right? I didn't gain anything, but I didn't sell into my bank account either. So I wait until I get my 50% gain, and then I pick up 3 Ethereum instead of 2. And what I do at this moment is sell 1 Ethereum into my bank account, which is $500. So I made $500 out of nothing, and I still have the exact same crypto valuation, which is 2 Ethereums. And then what I do from there is wait for the bounce and then trade the swing back again. So from here, I am still holding my 2 Ethereums. I am not losing anything when it comes to crypto. So I still have my 2 Ethereums, and when I get to the top, I do the same thing again. I trade it back for Bitcoin, and I give 2 Ethereum, and I get Bitcoin back. And then if I do it properly, again, when it gets down, let's say I make another 50%, I'm going to pick up 3 Ethereum again instead of the 2 I had before. Then the leftovers, which is 1 Ethereum extra, I sell it into my bank account. Whatever the price is, even if Ethereum is $250 each at that moment, I sell that extra Ethereum that I made out of nothing into my bank account. So I am making free money anyways, and I am still keeping the same crypto valuation. And if I trade crypto to crypto back and forth, you can make money without losing any crypto valuation, or you can, if you don't even want to trade for fiat, you can increase your crypto valuation. The same for this one. I entered this trade for Bitcoin Cash versus Ethereum. So basically, I have been trading my Ethereum. I'm almost not holding any Ethereum for quite some time now. 90% of my Ethereum went into fiat, into Bitcoin Cash, and into Bitcoin. So, and in this one, for example, I am right now, what's this? 20% up. So I'm still going to hold this unless I can spot a reversal, but it's not. For now, I'm going to continue to hold. So when I get up here to whatever the resistance is, if I gave 2 Ethereum, it's not the case, but again, to make it easy, then if I make 50%, I'm going to pick up 3 Ethereum. So I'm going to have 1 Ethereum extra that I can sell into my bank account for whatever the price is just free money. right? If you get to do it right. So a bear market right now is not the worst thing that could happen. The worst thing that could happen, which is still to come, is that the markets go flat when it comes to trading crypto to crypto. When the markets finally go flat because no one is even trading crypto to crypto anymore, when we are at the lowest, then that's going to be rough, because then it's really not going to be any opportunity to make any money at all. But so long as we still have swings when it comes to trading crypto to crypto, it means there's money to be made. You don't even need to short. You don't even need to have an account where you can short. So long as you have Bitcoin and Ethereum, you can trade Bitcoin and Ethereum for any other coin. You know, so long as we can continue to trade the swings. If you want to learn more on how to trade these swings the way I do it, you can join the premium membership on my website. And here, not only you will know the strategy that I use for swing trading, but you will also get technical analysis, updates on the markets every day. I just made a technical analysis for Bitcoin right now before this video. And on the Telegram private group, you get signals for entries and targets. So that was all for the quick video, guys. This is an idea, something you can do. It's what I am doing personally. So that's all for the video. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.